Hey guys, I'm not gonna spend a tons of time on exactly how to install this aluminum shelf from from us because I'm sure you can find a lot of information on the YouTube, and also it's really simple. So basically, you need four brackets, one, two, and the same thing on the other side. Remove this screw, tuck in behind the plastic, put the screw back on. The same thing goes there. And then when you have four all installed, you can put a headliner back in, a headliner shelf back in. Let me show you.
Okay, it's installed. Four corners. Looks nice. Tons of space. All right, thank you guys.